Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Five Nights at Freddy's Into the Pit game not launching or won't launch issue, crashes to desktop, crashing at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, freezing problem or black screen issue on PC. And this is for the Epic Game users. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to Five Nights at Freddy's game and then select Manage and then click on Verify. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to modify the game launch option. So you can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Epic Games, click on this three horizontal dot next to game, then click on Manage. Now toggle on launch options and in the launch option type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again click on this three dot, go to Manage. Now here this time type -DX12, close this and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to this three dot, click on Manage, remove the launch option command and then toggle it off and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder or try running the game in the compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot, click on Manage and then click on this folder icon. It will take you to the game installation folder. Then right click on this FNAF into the pit exe file, select properties, go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark this run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 from the drop down, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then this time select disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three options, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to rename or delete the save game files. But please take a note, you must create a backup first because you will lose all the save game progress. So here how to rename or delete the save game files of Five Nights at Freddy Into the Pit game. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view and then click on show and then check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder, then open local low folder. Now open Mega Cat Studios folder. Now right click this FNAF into the pit folder and then copy it and then paste it to desktop first to keep the backup. And once you have the backup, then right click on FNAF into the pit folder and then select rename and then rename it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply right click on this and then click on delete to delete it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to update graphic card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open it. Now expand the display adapters, right click on your graphic card driver and select update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers and then close it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. Now if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. You have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and reinstall the latest version. Now launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on the NVIDIA website, you have to select your driver version over here. Then select Windows operating system. Then click on find. Then you have to download and install a GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option, then click on next and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to the control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an order. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open program files folder. Open Epic Games folder. Open Five Nights at Freddy folder. Then select this exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Five Nights at Freddy folder, select this FNF into the pit exe file and then click on open and then click on add. Then click on OK to save changes. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using a third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. And then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also simply turn off your antivirus program, play the game, and later you can turn on your antivirus program. Next solution is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both the x64 and x86 version. Download both the version and you have to install both of them. So first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then install it. Then click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix it is to disable overlay. So disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel, and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to close conflicting or unnecessary program. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech authorized master racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Simply uninstall Five Nights at Freddy's into the pit game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive or SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix Five Nights at Freddy's into the pit game not launching or won't launch problem, crashes to desktop, crashing at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.